The Bible tells us of Prophet Jeremiah, whose lineage was of people with low self-esteem. I build a mansion of confidence. The other time, Sanballat na Tobias va fika vuton'wini bya yena va lava ku n'wi disturb ka ntirho wa Xikwembu. No, you guys mi le ku disturbeni. Wa swi twisisa. So sometimes enga kuma ku avuton'wini bya wena ku na va Sanballat na va Tobias, aka the enemies of progress. Va busy va ku adverse swilo swo ka swi nga yangi hi kona. Especially ka these men at trash meetings that you guys hold. Wa swi twisisa. Dumper man, he's so broke, it's not even funny. Just so much fun to broke, mara, minyako. Watch this. The next thing, a guy turns his life around. Every me chamkela, mtame puvela. Chauke, langana, KFC, la midrend, ex-yamin. Ex-yam workman. Loko chauke tamba ma swana a chano vula ku idonyoriwa hi wena yingisela Sanballat na va Tobias avuton'wini bya wena. Don't get me wrong. Or there are guys who have made being broke their lifestyle. Stay the fuck away from such assholes. I'm the businessman to tika from. But because you listen to your family members and best friends telling you you're not cut to be entrepreneurs, how can you listen to such people, Mara Info? Or no one man in Kundan Satimbilu. You are bound to be great because God Himself knows the plans that He has for you. Some of you, the very Sanballat, Navo Tobias, Avtongun Jamwina, are your very own pastors telling you you are cursed. You are cursed. Cursed in Jani while you are part of the Jesus bloodline. Shinjani mara sweswo ashikona sweswo aswihanyi next time loko mfundhisi wa wena a fika ku byela ku ya cast n'wi byela ku mfundhisi mara xite manya sokonyana ntate mori monga u hele mure